to memorize a deck of cards in less than 20 seconds. Now, our judge up here, does your watch have a second hand on it?
Yes, it does.
Obviously, this doesn't mean anything unless the cards are thoroughly mixed. I will explain the process I'm using as I'm going along. But these need to be mixed first. So I'm going to give you about a quarter of the pack. Would you shuffle those up, please? And let's see, this gentleman right here, would you take about a quarter of the pack? Shuffle those. And sir, would you take about a quarter of the pack? Oh, you're our judge. You're not allowed to touch them. And sir, would you take about a quarter of the pack? I want you all to shuffle your cards. Sir, when you finish, will you pass them to this gentleman? Mix those together. Sir, when you're done, will you pass them to the gentleman behind you? Yes. Yes. Yes, to you. Mix those together. These are well mixed?
They are.
And these are well mixed. Good. We'll mix both of the large packs together at this point. I'm going to look at these cards. You're going to time me. If I go over 20 seconds, you'll say stop. Are we ready? I will ask everybody to be absolutely quiet while I'm doing this. I'll explain what I did as soon as I do it, but I can't explain and do it at the same time. Are we ready? Go. How long was that?
That was 15 seconds.
15 seconds. Whoa. Secret number one. I only have to memorize half of them. Obviously, if I memorize this half, I already know what's in this half. So we take these cards. I want you to separate those into suits. Put the clubs together, the hearts together, the spades together, the diamonds together. Would you please do the same thing? While they're doing that, here's what I did. When I see a card, I mentally destroy that card. If the card was an ace of clubs, for example, in my mind I see a club. The ace of clubs is just a club. I break the club over my knee, I forget about it. Later on, if I'm going through the club suit, I see the club is broken, therefore I saw it. The two of clubs is a can, like a tin can. Why a can? Starts with C, N means two. You see, we turn the numbers into words which we can visualize. I see the card, I destroy it. Are we fairly well separated here, gentlemen? I've looked at this gentleman's, what, your name, sir, for everyone?
Doug.
Doug, and your name, sir?
Mo.
Mo. I did not look at Mo's cards. By elimination, I should know what he's holding. I would like you both to stand up and join me on the stage. Give him a round of applause. Get your clubs to the face of the pack. We'll start with clubs. If I call out a card that's in your hand and I'm correct, just drop it on the stage. Don't waste time saying, yes, that's right. Just drop it. They'll all know when you drop it that I was right. Did I break the club in my mind? Yes, I did. That means I saw the ace of clubs, therefore it's in Doug's hand, and he would drop it on the floor. I did not, however, crush the tin can, so that means the two of clubs is over here. Mo, you can drop that. You can also drop the three, because I didn't see that either. You have the three of clubs. But the 4, 5, and the 6, I believe, would be over here. But Mo, you have the 7. Is that right? You can drop that. You have the 8 and 9 over here, but I believe you would have the 10, the jack, and the queen of clubs. I didn't see those. The king's over here. You can drop that. Good. Let's look at the hearts. Look at them. Did I see the ace of heart? I usually shoot an arrow through the heart. I did not do that. That means Mo has the ace of hearts. You also have the 2 of hearts. You can drop that. But I did see the 3, the 4, and the 5. You would have them. I didn't see the 6. Mo has it. The 7 and the 8 would be in your hands, Doug. But you would have the 9, the 10, the jack. Doug would have the queen, and you would have the king. Mo, drop them. Let's get the spades up. Okay, we're going to go fast now. You ready? I did see the ace of spades. You can drop that. I saw the 2 of spades. You can drop that. I saw the 3. You can drop that. I didn't see the 4. That means Mo has it. But I did see the 5 and the 6. You would have it. You would have the 7. You would have the 8. You would have the 9. I didn't. I did see the... Did I? Yes, I did. I did see the 10. You would have that. The jack and the queen would be over here, but you would have the king. Leaves us 1 suit, diamonds. We ready? I didn't see the ace of diamonds. You have it. Drop the ace. Drop the 2. Drop the 3. Drop the 4. I did see the 5. You can drop that. You would have the 6. You would have the 7. But I believe you would have the 8. You would have the 9. You would have the 10. The jack would be over here. Queen and king would be over here. Mo has 1 left. It's a joker. I never did see that. Show it to the audience. Give him a nice round of applause.